Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Starbucks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what investing in Starbucks means. Begin by researching Starbucks as a company. Look into its history, mission, and values. Check the current financial performance of Starbucks. Consult reliable financial news sources and reports. Examine key metrics such as revenue growth and profit margins. Consider the stock performance patterns over the past few years. Next, create an investment plan that aligns with your financial goals. Decide how much money you are willing to invest. Determine your risk tolerance regarding stock market fluctuations. Evaluate whether you want to invest for the short term or long term. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers easy access to stock trading. Complete the necessary paperwork to set up your account. Fund your brokerage account using an appropriate method. Once your account is funded, search for Starbucks stock symbol. Starbucks trades under the symbol SBUX. Analyze the stock price in trends. Use technical analysis tools to monitor stock movements. Consider purchasing shares of Starbucks through your brokerage platform. Decide how many shares to buy based on your investment plan. Place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for set prices. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Stay informed about any changes within the company or industry. Consider reinvesting dividends for compounded growth. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure alignment with your goals. Adjust your plan as needed based on market conditions and personal objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.